Are your waders leaking and leaving you cold, wet, uncomfortable, and possibly unsafe? In this video, we will demonstrate how to locate leaks and repairing different types of waders. Some of the things you need to have on hand include a flashlight, a marker, toothpicks, a bucket of water, a spray bottle filled with rubbing alcohol, and then your repairing agents, either repair cement and patches, flexible waterproof repair tape, or in this case, UV wader repair compound. One of the easiest ways to find leaking holes in waders is by using a flashlight. With the flashlight on and the room lights off, place the flashlight within the waders and shine the light against them. When a hole has been located, just mark it so you can find it later. You can also use a bucket of water to help find leaking holes. Trap air within your neoprene waders, submerge, and then squeeze. So you can see the air's coming out of the hole. So you can find the hole later, insert a toothpick into it. To locate leaking holes within breathable waders, take the spray bottle filled with rubbing alcohol and liberally spray your waders. These are a pair of breathable waders that have been pulled inside out. Up close, this is what it looks like. The rubbing alcohol is penetrating within the breathable membrane and exposes the hole. Now all you have to do is mark it so you can find it later and repair it. Repairing neoprene waders is a fairly straightforward process. The first step is to clean off the area where the hole will be repaired. After the wader has been dried, you can take your UV compound and repair the hole. Here's a close-up view. Repairing breathable waders takes on a similar approach. Locate the holes, take the compound, and just seal them up. This is what it looks like up close. After all the holes have been sealed with your UV repair compound, they'll need to be cured. Since this is done by exposure to UV light, we've decided to just hang our waders in a secure area. After they've been cured, it's time to go out and do some monitoring.